Hello young minds, today we will learn how to make dart paper plane. For that, first we will take a A4 size paper. We will fold it vertically from top to bottom. Then we will take both the corners left and right to the center. Once we have done that, we will make a sharp node out of it, and then we will make two new slanted edges towards the center as shown in the video. Make that sure the creases are well creased. Once you have done that also, you will fold the entire paper into two halves so that all the folds are intact and are outside. Once you have done that, you will now make the wings on both the sides to make the paper plane finally ready. Thank you.